Also, there's very few of them in, like, even existing right now, to the point where when a new one is found, like, if you're part of trading communities, you're actually demanded that you report if you get one. So that's how that's how much people want this, you know? In there? No, it's not like that. It's not like a fucking pack of carrots. Oh, he doesn't know what it does. Yeah, I bet there's people out there who have unusuals and they had unusuals when they were younger and they didn't know what they did and they deleted them. Yeah, because not because they didn't like the unusual effect, because they didn't like the hat. I bet there's people who have unboxed like the fucking what's the hat? What's that one hat that everyone hates? Like nobody likes the fucking hat. Everyone doesn't wear it. There's this one hat that's infamous for people just getting rid of it when they get it, and I forget which one it actually is. Do you want to watch me unbox, by the way? Oh, sorry, yeah, I forgot. My apologies. All right, well, time to open them. Open them with a key. If I got an unusual at all, I'd be very happy. I got the Wrangler. I opened my first crate and I got the Wrangler. Isn't that awesome? I got the Gunslinger. And I'd open my last crate. Yeah, these ones give weapon. I got a paint, actually, that's kinda cool. Noble Hatters of Violet. That's cool. Right. Time to scrap these.